Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are here at the Great Mission Peak. Mission Peak Regional Park is Fremont's most popular attraction. Hundreds of hikers come here every weekend, and it got so bad that the city had to put up new rules for parking and for hours just for the sake of the local residents. And I've been there, guys, before the rules, and it was bad. Everything was so congested, all the visitors were just loud, and I just felt so bad for the residents. So I completely support these new rules just so that at least the people that live in the area have at least some quiet time on the weekends before the crowds come in. The best time to come hiking here is during the winter time because this trail is like 95% exposed and it gets really hot in the summer. So I do recommend you coming when it's cooler. And today is the perfect time because check out the mountains. It is covered with fog, and I'm hoping because of today's forecast that once we get up there, the sun would have come out and we get a beautiful view of the bay below. So while we're making our way up, I do want to state a few facts about this area. This place is one of Fremont's most popular places to hike as well as to take a picture because right on the top there's something called a Mission Peaker. It is a 6-foot, like, I think it's steel, it could be iron. I forgot what metal it is, but it is like a metal pole, 6 feet metal pole that everyone climbs on to get their victory posed picture on the top. It's like a souvenir that once you get to the top, it's like you accomplish something really great because it is a pretty hard climb. The hike to the peak is roughly 3 miles long, but here's the kicker. It is a 2,000 feet elevation gain. So basically you're just going uphill the entire way, making it one of the more challenging hikes you can find in the Bay Area. So if you ever decide to do this, I wish you the best of luck and make sure you're ready. Stretch, bring a lot of water because it is a 100% exposed. Wear a hat and sunscreen and snacks and you know all that jazz when you go hiking. Just bring everything you can so you can survive. So the Mission Peaker was first created as kind of like a marker for, of course, the top of the peak, but also there are these little telescope iron bars that people use as handles now to climb up the pole. But when you peek through it, hence peaker, you're supposed to see individual cities that it's pointing at. Originally, there were the names of the cities sketched on it, but it's been rubbed off over time. But yeah, something to know. And another thing to know about the Peaker is that right below it is a time capsule that is not supposed to be open until 2090. So I'm most likely going to be long gone by then, but it's cool to know. All right, so we are here at our first view stop. If this isn't amazing, just wait until we get to the top. All right, the first sign that there's a peak up ahead. We're not even at the top yet, guys, but this view is freaking gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy wandering, everyone. Bye.